Hi dear students, welcome back to 8th grade mathematics class. Today we are going to study the second part of right triangles. Okay? Now in here we are going to discuss the type of triangle which has 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. It means a right triangle which has what? 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree angles. Okay, we are going to study two properties in here that they are very important whenever you want to solve the problems. If you know these two properties, so you can solve the right triangles which have these what properties. At first, the hypotenuse is twice as long as shorter leg. Okay, the hypotenuse, you know the hypotenuse. Okay, the hypotenuse is twice as long as shorter leg. You know that it is 30 degree and the opposite of this 30 degree is the shorter leg. Okay, and here this property says that the hypotenuse is 2 times of this short leg. It means if it is A, it is 2A. Or in formula you can write the value of AC, side AC is equal to 2 times of the value of AB. There is an example for you. In this example that I want to know that how much is the value of Y. Okay? As I told you the property, in here we have a 30, 60 and 90 degree triangle. Okay, I told you that the hypotenuse is 2 times of the shorter leg. It means Y is equal to 2 multiple 3. Y is equal to 6. If it is centimeter, so centimeter or any other units. Okay, it was the first property. The second property, the longer leg is a square root of 3 times as long as the shorter leg. The longer leg is this times as long as the shorter leg. As I told you before, this is the long leg. This is the long leg because it is opposite of 60 degree angle. So it says, this property says that it is the square root of 3 multiple A times of A. Okay, an example for you. In here I want to find X by this property triangle. Okay, so how much is this X? As we have the formula, a square root of 3 multiple 2. Very simple. It is X and 2 multiple. So if it is centimeter, so we can have centimeter. If it is meter, any other unit. Okay, it was 2 properties of right triangle. And also we can have in a right triangle the altitude, you know altitude, a straight line which has 90 degree to the opposite side. The altitude to the hypotenuse forms 2 similar right triangle. If I pretend that it is a right triangle, so if I have the altitude of this triangle, so what happens? We can have 2 similar what? Triangles. Okay? What is the characteristic of, or what are the characteristics of these 2 similar triangle? Each of which is also similar to the original triangle. Original, it means the first one. Okay. In these relations, we can have these results. How? This is altitude. It means h square is equal to p multiple q. P multiple q. Because of that, we divided by altitude. The value of this multiplied this is equal to a square of altitude. Or we can have c square Okay, the leg. C square is equal to P multiple A. What is A? This is total call A. And what is B square? B square is equal to Q multiple A. It means P plus Q is called A. Now there is an example for you in order to understand better. What is this? We are going to find X, Y, and M. X is altitude, Y and M are legs. Okay? And here we can have X square is equal to, by this formula, P multiple Q. What is P? 8 multiple 2. So this implies that X square is equal to 8. And you know, in order to what? In order to find X, you have to put both sides under the. So the values or the units or belongs to you, if it is meter or centimeter or something else. Okay? So it was the what? The height. The height. Now we are going to study, or we are going to find Y. Y. So we have formula. Y, it means one of the legs, C square. Y square is equal to how much? P multiple A. What is P in here? 4. Multiple A. A is this total. This total. Okay? 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 6 multiplied 4 is 24. So how much is the value of Y? If we have under the square root, it will be. And the last one. And the last one. B square. B square, it means M square. Is equal to what? Q multiple A. This is called Q. 2 multiple, what is A? 4 plus 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 multiple 2 is 12. And what is the value of M? Okay. It was the property of a right triangle which has this type, or in short we can say that these are the relations between the sides of the what? A right triangle. Try to practice a lot, and best of luck. Follow us in our YouTube channel, Afghan-Turk Marif. See you.